Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing a tutorial of this look right here. I did use the Bling Boss palette from Jaclyn Hill in the Morphe collab. This was her Vault collab. So I did use it to create this eye look as well as some other things going on in here. You'll actually see how I get this gorgeous pink lip as well. So if you guys like this look, keep watching. So there you have it, guys, a tutorial with Jaclyn Hill's Bling Boss palette. I hope you guys really like this look. It's kind of subtle red eye. I like it because it matches my shirt, and that's probably why I just decided to choose those colors today, because it matches my shirt. The lips are like super poppy pink. They totally remind me of summer. Again, I'm vibing summer. I want summer to come. If you guys do like the hair look that I have going on, I have a tutorial coming out on my channel. It is a 1.5 inch barrel from Conair, and I do suggest you guys check that out when it comes on. So click the little bell and subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Mwah!